Namaste. How are you all? Welcome, 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 divine souls. Today, DNA repair healing. What is DNA repair? Before I explain DNA repair, let me do the cleansing part because I believe in cleansing. Before every healing, cleansing is mandatory. So let us say, thanks to Divine Father, Mother, Holy Archangels, to our spirit guides, thanks to Mother Earth, Universe, our Father, our Creator, thanks to our Gurus. Be super receptive and allow your body, mind, soul, aura to get completely cleansed, balanced, aligned, and healed. Deep cleansing of your space. Wherever you are sitting or laying down, watching this video, be super receptive and let the cleansing be on. Deep cleansing. Cleansing of body, mind, soul, aura. So, what is DNA repair? Before that, if you are new to this channel, what you have to do, please do subscribe. Press the bell icon so that the notification is on and you come to know Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday I do come with the different types of healing, starting with cleansing, then healing, balancing, aligning, healing. And every time you play a video, you become super receptive. You receive the healing. Two things you have to do. What? Be super receptive with gratitude wherever to whom you want to pay gratitude. Divine Father, Mother, Holy Archangels, our spirit guides, gratitude to us, gratitude to own self, and then drink water before and after. Okay? In the description box you will be getting other details also, details of my WhatsApp group and details of my number for personal contact, for learning Reiki, tarot, any type of healing, crystals. Okay. What is DNA repair? Can we change our DNA? No. But the negative imprint of our DNA, mental, physical, emotional and spiritual aspect, all these aspects, the negative impact can be changed. It will help in anti-aging. It will help in removal of genetic, all the hazards which you are carrying. If someone is too angry, if someone is too sad, if someone is too negative, if someone is always physically ill, a negative impact on the DNA, that can also be healed. Okay, let us start now. Thanks once again. Thank you for being receptive. All you have to do, just close your eyes and let the energy flow. Repairing of the DNA, cleansing all the negative pattern. Any pain, trauma which you are carrying from your past, from your childhood, complete clearing, complete clearing, complete clearing. Love, peace, happiness on. Be super receptive. You are open. Energy is on. Revitalization is on. Energy flow is on. Revitalization is on. Anytime and every time you play this video, timeless, be super receptive and your DNA will get repaired. DNA is getting completely repaired. DNA repair in the level of mental, physical, emotional, and spiritual. Any and every negative impact that is disturbing you at mental, physical, emotional, and relationship aspect. Deep cleansing, deep cleansing, and deep cleansing. Constantly for next 24 hours, your chakras are getting completely cleansed, balanced, aligned, healed, revitalized. Anytime and every time, any day you play this video, then for next 24 hours, complete DNA repair. All the negative impact on the DNA getting completely cleansed. Be super receptive. Let the energy flow. Be in complete allowance. Be in complete gratitude. Now you may open your eyes. How are you feeling? Fresh? Sleepy? Relaxed? Please do two things. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and drink water. Okay? Details given. You may contact WhatsApp. Stay always blessed. Love you. Thank you. Sambhala Reiki, DNA Reiki, Lamafeda Reiki, different types of Reiki modalities, more than 40 different Reiki modalities I do teach. If you want to learn, you may contact me. I teach in English, Bengali, and Hindi. Okay? Bye. Ciao.